Now to a developing story about the judge who presided over the MSD shooter's trial. A state judicial commission reports.
I'll go ahead and take that. The State Judicial Commission reports that Judge Elizabeth Scherer violated those rules, and Local 10's Cody Weddle is live with what he has learned. Cody.
So, Louie and Christy, you may remember those tense moments in the courtroom when Scherer seemed to lash out at defense attorneys. Well, that is just one of the behaviors that will likely lead to the state Supreme Court issuing a public reprimand of the judge.
You've been insulting me the entire trial.
They're the outbursts that attracted national headlines.
You are being disrespectful.
Judge Elizabeth Scherer sparring with the defense attorneys in the already high-profile trial of Parkland shooter Nicholas Cruz.
I'm summarily dismissing you. Go sit down.
And the judge's actions violated code of conduct rules, according to the state commission overseeing the judicial system. The commission saying the judge's conduct was, quote, intemperate and gave the appearance of partiality to the prosecution.
We saw time and again she lacked judicial demeanor.
The Judicial Qualifications Commission recommending that the state Supreme Court now publicly reprimand Scherer. Legal ethics professor Bob Jarvis.
Public reprimand is really tantamount to kind of a slap on the wrist. It's you did something wrong, but it wasn't so egregiously wrong what you did that we're going to strip you of your robe.
But Scherer will be leaving behind her robe at the end of this month. She announced in May she will be stepping down. Since then, she has not responded to our request for an interview. Nobody coming to the door today at her home in Fort Lauderdale. Also at issue, the judge's decision to hug members of the prosecution and family members following the trial.
When she says it's not the reason she stepped down, I believe her. But being the legal reason that you stepped down is a little different from maybe being the emotional reason.
And that last attorney there has represented judges before this commission before, and he says this whole process puts a tremendous amount of pressure on the judges. And so while Scherer was not legally required to step down, it's hard to tell how much of the emotional baggage surrounding this investigation played a role in that decision. We also reached out to the public defender's office today, as well as Scherer's attorney, both declining to comment. We're live in Fort Lauderdale. I'm Cody Weddle, Local 10 News.